Pistons are the heart of the engine. Aside from the camshaft, nothing has a greater degree of mystery. And that's why winning or losing can start with your choice of piston, from design through engineering and durability. And that's why we're here at JE Pistons to check out the latest advancement in the SRP line, the SRP Professional. With all of the secrets that JE have learned over years of technology and engineering, creating some of the best custom pistons on the market, they've now applied it to a product that can be found at your local engine builder or performance parts shop shelves. Today we're going to show you everything you need to know about the SRP Professional. We're going to head behind the scenes, check out its advanced engineering and testing process, and most importantly, its low friction and lightweight design. They say the SRP Professional can make more horsepower. Let's go see for ourselves. So I've made my way inside JE Pistons, and I've got to say, they've got a pretty serious operation running here. I've never seen so many CNC machines at work at one time. So I'm looking for Sean Crawford. He's going to tell me what's going on with this SRP line.
SRP stands for Sportsman Racing Products. It's basically a forged piston line that we created to serve, the people that need a high quality forged piston for their race car or the street car or hot rod.
What's the difference, say, between SRP and the custom pistons?
SRP is for common applications off the shelf, like your 347 stroker Ford, your LS engine, or your 383 stroker small block Chevy. All those combinations are something that's readily available off the shelf on our SRP line.
Well, the SRP Professional is your new line. What are the differences between SRP and SRP Professional?
Well, SRP Professional integrates all those high-end features into an off-the-shelf SRP line. So if you come over here, I'll show you the difference. So this is SRP right here. As you can see, it's a quality forged piston. We don't add a whole lot of extra features like internal milling or anything. That's how we keep the cost down. But everything else is made in the same facility as JE. It's a very high quality part.
Who would you recommend this piston for?
SRP is perfect for weekend warriors. It's the Sportsman Racing product. So the guy running on the drag strip, hot rod, street rod, muscle car, perfect for all those applications.
All right, well, I notice we've got the SRP Professional up here as well. Considerably different.
Yeah, it's a brand new design. We started clean sheet with a dedicated forging, a short wrist pin, a smaller skirt area. We added skirt coating recently, and we also have a different ring package that offers a significant reduction in friction.
And by the looks of things, also significant reduction in weight as well.
Yeah, that's true. Actually, if we put these on the scale, here's our traditional SRP with the spiral locks and the wrist pin, just below 607 grams. Same application, a 383 small block Chevy. Put on the SRP Professional combination, looking at right around 546 grams.
So it's about 60 grams saving.
60 grams weight reduction. It's very significant. Yeah, there's a lot of things in the design that went into this, so if you want to go talk to Steven, one of our engineers, he'll tell you how we did this.
Yeah, for sure.
Let's do it.
All right, so we found Steve Goyer, who's the Principal Development Engineer here at JE Pistons, and I guess I just would like to know, what were your objectives when you started off building the SRP Professional line?
The first thing predominantly was the weight issue. We were looking to take off at least 20 to 30 grams off the existing parts. To take the weight off, we had to keep the crown thickness obviously adequate for the power and the loads. The struts and the whole architecture of the underside had to fit like a new modern look. So we were looking for more of this a box style forging, or it's called forged side relief. So to actually take the weight off the part was quite actually difficult. We had to consider the fact that this was quite a high horsepower part. And what we tried to do with this ring pack was to maintain a 3-ring system. Top ring is 1.2, then we've got a 1.5mm oil control ring, and then we've got a 3mm 3-piece oil ring. By doing so, we've gone for lower tension rings. Another good factor with this one is these are carbon steel top ring. It's nitrided and it offers 60% less wear, but less tension increases power because we've got less friction. The oil control side, we've got a Navy style ring and a 3-piece oil control ring, which reduces blow-by and also improves ring seal too. The pin length was another critical area. We wanted to keep the same wall thickness, keep it durable, keep the weight where it's needed really, and take the weight off where it wasn't needed.
Well, I guess that's one of the first questions is, when you start to reduce the weight of the component, do you not reduce the strength as well? How did you overcome that?
Normally with a piston we look at the fatigue cycles, its endurance, its longevity. Some parts are over-designed for that fact, depending on the application. So when we're looking at the calculations for this part, we're looking at the critical stress areas, and they're normally located on the crown. We have a tensile strength factor we need to consider here, and also compressive, which is where all the load is taken up, and that's really on the pin and the underside. So when we have these numbers in mind, we can look at, say, a design criteria to suit those numbers and not actually exceed them with the stress results as we work within the analysis system.
Well, I now know a lot more about piston technology and JE Pistons. Great pistons made by great people. We've shown you all about the SRP Professional. It's a piston that comes with advanced features at an affordable price. And the best part is, SRP Professional pistons are in stock all over the world right now. So that means you can order one today, start building your engine tomorrow. My name's Bucko. Thanks for watching Power TV.